Hello fabricators. By now many of you have heard me talk about the simplicity and the ease and the speed of the Fastback 2. Today we're going to go over some of the more advanced things you can do with the Fastback 2 that's going to increase the productivity of your shop. Over here we have a laminated piece with a sink cutout. This is going to be a 6 cm. We're going to be able to take and put a piece behind it for support and run this through the machine. It'll be one pass, drop dead perfect from end to end. Over here we're going to have an example of a Euro seam. So the Fastback being a linear flat edge machine, if we do a Euro seam in an L countertop, we'll be able to run that piece through. Even though it's going to sense the stone coming in here, it's not going to start polishing to here. By utilizing our Offset Pro and have a perfect polish, be able to fit your pieces together, install, done. We're also going to show you how to run some of the large pieces through. This one really sets the Fastback 2 apart from any other machine out there, being able to run pieces up to 12 feet in length and up to 96 inches tall. The machine's built for it, it's designed for it, and today we're going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to step out, we're going to let John step in, and we're going to run these pieces through.
Thanks, Rocky. So I'll show you guys how we run this 6 cm piece through. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and measure the thickness. Then we're going to head to the machine over here and adjust it. And we got about an 1/8 inch there, and this is going to prevent the piece of having too much tension on it and breaking the edge. And then we're going to load our piece. We're going to have polish side towards the belt. And we're going to use our backsplash as kind of a support here, right between the laminate. All right. Then it's as easy as turning which spindles you want on. Because this is quartz, I'm not going to use position 7. Then it's hit cycle start, and we'll push this vanity through. All right, for our seam piece, we're going to go to stagger, and we're going to click on polish offset, select which one looks like the piece we're running. That'd be the one on the right here, and we're going to type in our polish length. So here we have 38.5, and enter. Then we're going to go to our auto screen. We can see that the polish offset's enabled, and we're going to hit cycle start. All right, so our seam piece, we got our 38.5 inches right here, and then our seam starts. We'll start pushing that through.
So with the Polish Offset Pro on the Fastback 2, we are able to run our angled pieces through the machine. The intuitive controller basically knows when and where to start to get a perfect polish on that angled piece every time. If we weren't able to have this feature, what essentially would happen is when we feed the angled piece through the machine, we're going to end up plowing our tooling off of the end of the spindles. All right, now we're going to show you how to utilize the Fastback 2 with the slab back support system and run pieces up to 96 inches tall through it. We're going to have John load this up, run it through, no problems, have a perfect polish end to end. All right, not your typical backsplash pieces, a little bit more advanced stuff on the Fastback 2. Let's take a look at some of the results. Here we have our 6cm laminated vanity. We can see it's a perfect polish, front to back. You can see that it did break the edge with the micro bevel. That's a beautiful piece ready to install. Over here, we have a couple of our offset pieces. There's a lighter piece, perfect polish, end to end, micro bevel again. And here's an example of an L in a kitchen. We slide that together. We'll see that we got a perfect match. Polished all the way across, both pieces end to end. Here we got our tall kitchen island or large piece. Perfect polish, both top, bottom, and side. Ready to install. Thanks for joining us today. I appreciate your time. As you can see, the Fastback 2 is more than just a simple backsplash machine. Please reach out to us anytime and let us help you put a Fastback 2 in your shop today.